Hi. Hey, you're right. Hello, we are back at week 4. Start of week 4. Don't know where the current's gone. Bit gloomy, but come on, I'll show you what we're going to do this week. So, this week, as you can see, we've already started. We're going to finish putting all the type 1 in for the patio. First things first, to be fair, is we're going to get this step in. So we're going to shutter it 6x2 all the way across. We've got 10mm tiles. We're going to put adhesive. We're going to put them on adhesive. So that's going to be our first step coming across here. So we're going to shutter all the way across 6x2 and concrete this whole area. So it's going to come all the way across here and return in there and come flush with paving down the side as well. We've got irrigation coming in as well, so I've got to put this pipe down there like that, and we're going to put irrigation. I'm going to cut it in half so we get 2 pipes. So that's going to be where the irrigation's going to be put through. So all this area here is going to be done. The concreting's going to be done, and then we had a bit of a nightmare actually. The tiles that we ordered turned up 10mm, all cracked in half. Fantastic. So they've been reordered. They're supposed to be coming in this week, but we can still push on with the paving once all the steps sort of set and ready. We've got to finish, obviously, the cedar batten over there. That will be done. The roof has got to be finished. We're going to do the felt and just a couple of fascias. That's got to be done. So yeah, we're really going to be pushing on this week, doing a couple of late ones. I ain't told the boys yet, but it's going to be done. And then we've got the electrician going to come in. He's going to do his thing. We've got the lights that are going to be they've been ordered. They are in. So the electrician's going to do his thing. So yeah, hopefully by the end of this week, paving's going to be done. The steps going to be in. Irrigation's going to be in, and then we're hopefully ready for turfing. Stay tuned. Brother. 4. We've had a bit of a tidy up out the front. I've had to get a little 4-yarder because the other one has absolutely rammer in the main room. It was piling up, so I had to get another little skip just for the odds and sods. And if you come round here, these things here, yeah, these the bane of my life. Epoxy pallets do my nutting. We've been fairly busy. I'll start here with this. This was long. I had to set up the irrigation system, but it's a bit of a funny one because obviously you're trying to hide the pipes and that, but oh god, that needs to go back on. But I've tried to do it as best as I can because obviously the paving's going to go underneath. The pipe's going to go underneath the paving. But they didn't want to tack it to the wall because they've just had all this re-rendered. So yeah, best I could do. But it's all working. All the sprinklers. I'll set the sprinklers up in a minute. Sure, yeah. We've been busy. We've paved all of this area, which is like a timber style porcelain tile, which is different, quite nice. We haven't. We've got 10 mil going on top of here, but we haven't done it yet because I don't know if you heard in the last video, they all cracked on site. Whereas as soon as they got delivered, they were smashed in the packet. But we've so we're going to face that up there, and then it's basically going to look the same as that step there. Look at the grass. Okay, now it's like Wembley, boy. Jesus. So yeah, done the grass, finished all the cedar. We've put a cap in on top of the cedar just to neaten it off, which I think looks really nice. So that's all been done. Shed's been done. We've done a fascia. We used some of these tiles to do a fascia on the front just to hide the concrete for the shed base. We've got irrigation flowing round the beds and the back and the side. And the sprinklers, let me show you the sprinklers. You wait there. Oh yeah, bloody hell, mate. It's alright, isn't it? I did it all myself. Thanks. The other thing we've done is we have replaced the fence panels on this side here. So we just whipped the old ones out and put new ones in. So don't judge me on the fencing because I haven't done that. I've just replaced the panels. Got the Sparky turning up. He's going to do the lights. So he's still got to do that. And we've still got to do the grouting. So we've still got a little bit of, it's just snaggings, isn't it? Just little bits, you know, it's like snaggings, nightmare. But we're getting there. Oh, and the other thing is, last thing, is we've got some Indian sandstone, 900 by 600, down the pathway. So we've got to sort that out as well. As soon as these tiles are in, get me levels, and then I can do the 9 by 6s down the alleyway. And cut myself around that pipe. That'd be nice. That'd be a nice, easy job, wouldn't it? Oh, we've still got to do another. What we've got to do? Another coat of Osmo oil on the cedar, and that will be that. Thank you. I'll check in with week 5. Right back.